Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Adsense account deactivated due to inactivity. So first of all, what you have to do is open Google AdSense website and sign in with your Google AdSense account. Now once you're signed in, you will see a message on top that your account is deactivated right now. To activate your account, click here, like it's giving me some error, and click like it's giving me go to payments. It will show you reactivate button. So once you click on reactivate button, and for instance if you want to reactivate your Google AdSense account with YouTube channel, then simply what you have to do is open YouTube Studio, which is studio.youtube.com, this website, and you will see earn tab on the left, or earn option. Click on earn, and here you will be seeing this option called YouTube Partner Program Options. So here you will be able to see AdSense for YouTube. So if you're connected to an old AdSense account, simply click on change button and change it to the current AdSense account that you want to activate. Once you submit the information or complete all the steps to connect your YouTube channel to your AdSense account or connect your website, you will see all of the steps to connect your website or YouTube channel by clicking on a reactivate button. And after you have completed all of the steps, then Google team or Google AdSense team will review your ticket or your form, and after that they will reactivate your inactive AdSense account. So if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.